Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be updating the values which we have inserted in the last tutorial. So as we can see, our table has first name, last name, email address, and also the password. So code for this, you can find it in my previous video, and also how to run the program into your local machine. So let's say in this database, we want to change the surname and also want to change the password. We want to update them. The user wants to change them. So the way we can do it is just go back to our code. Okay, so here in our code, let's say I name a variable. I say this variable is update v. What I want you to do, update v, open parentheses. Let's say I want you to update for me. Update. I want you to update user. And I want you to set last name. Let's say the last name, let's send it to maybe Thomas. Let's say last name is Thomas. I want you to set the let's say the password, let's say it's 1234 PO. And I must tell it where I want it to do this. So where let's say where the first name is equals to Lonwabo. So that's where I want you to go. So I want to update user. User is my table, and in the user table, I want you to set the last name Thomas, the password to that, and I want you to go to the table where the first name is equals to Lonwabo. And very important, in MySQL underscore query, you put in the name of the database here, and you put in the variable, which is the variable you need to update, and then we close our database after that. So if we save that, let's control save that. Let's go back here, and my directory is programs, my tutorial index.php. That's where the file is. So let's go and check it out. Let's go and refresh. We expect the last name to change and also the password to change, and in this case. So I'll wait for it. It's loading. So yeah, a code should be like this when you're updating. As you have seen, when we are inserting, we're saying insert into user. I want to insert this into the user table, and I gave them the values for that are here, and I want to update those values here. So I expect an updated values to come out of here. So let's just wait for it. And it's very important to tell it where, because in your code you might have a lot of tables, and you must now tell it where it must go and update. Otherwise it won't update if that's the case. So you need to take a look at those things. Let's go back here. So our first name is Lonabo, the last name is Thomas, and the password has changed to 12345 PO. So that's how we can update the values into our database.